First time in a back or whatever we're in. This is my blade. Now I just want to.
Wait. Lift up your blade. Lift up your blade.
I am. Okay, I got it. How high?
Keep lifting it up.
Huh?
Keep lifting it up, because we don't want to drag it with us.
Okay, we're up.
More.
That blade's off the ground now, right?
Keep going. Keep going. Okay, now slowly let go of your brake. Your brake is the big one.
How do we do?
Good job.
How do I turn?
You can turn anywhere you want. Okay, now if you want to go forward, tilt that up.
Okay. That'll push that way, right? How big is the blade to move up and down?
So,
No, this way. Go this way.
you twist it like that,
Yeah.
and then you got
Okay.
this, you tilt it.
Okay, that's back and forth.
Yeah, and then, yeah.
Okay.
Hang on, wait. Put it in neutral. Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Now it just automatically comes up on its own? The idle?
Yeah. Okay. Now you can put it in forward.
Okay, but I want to line up more on that dirt. So I want to go back first.
Okay. You're gonna be going really slow. Hang
How
on.
do I make that?
Hang on. Put both of them down. Put that down. Your brake.
What do you mean? Pull it up?
Put it down.
This.
Okay.
What's this?
Now put your feet are on both of them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There you go. You have to go in reverse.
Now, how do I make it? Now, go forward. Doesn't the blade itself move back like that now?
No. You have so
this
when
is where the blade is always at, like this, right?
blade is always forward.
Okay, but
You're the
it
one.
doesn't go like that.
It moves up and down. That's all it does.
That's all we get out of that. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we don't get none. Okay.
No.
Then side to side. That's what we want to do, basically. That.
Mhm.
Now what do we do?
Mm.
Now we don't have that.
Do you want me to show you first? Sorry.
Maybe, yeah.
There you go.
So now we want to.
Hang on. Put your thing down. Put
Okay.
your brake down.
What do you mean down? It's down. That's always down.
Put it in forward.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we don't like that.
Okay, put down on your blade. Down on your blade.
What do you mean? Oh, through.
Okay, lift up on your blade. Lift up.
Oh, I made a hole. guy's made a fucking mess. This is fun. That's about level, right?
Yeah. Okay, forward. Up on your blade, up on your blade. Up, 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 up. Okay, keep going. Go all the way down to that pile. Okay, lift up on your blade. Let go of some of the stuff. Now down. Start turning that way. Okay, now stop. Reverse. Make sure to keep your blade up, all the way up, all the way up.
Why are you getting all weird like that? Oh, that's me, huh? Yeah, we gotta stay away from that stick, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna show you how to read those sticks. So I want you, do you know how to read them?
A little bit.
Okay, I want you to go forward, over to that stick so I can help you read it. But don't dig up any dirt, don't dig up any dirt, just go up to it. Because I have to see how much.
Where we gotta be? That's 0
Yeah.
hours.
It's 0?
I don't know, baby. Oh, the gas pedal. Did you know that?
Yeah.
That's the gas pedal?
Yeah, but you lift up on it. When you hold it down, you're just holding it in, okay, so put it in park, put it in neutral, and put your thing up.
My blade down.
Okay, hold this.
Oh, I didn't. Wow, you're gonna record the whole time? We're gonna kill all the space.